Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Auto Rehab, rebuilding the Shelby Part 2. I've been really busy finding parts for this car, but before I could start fixing anything, I've got to take it for a pre-inspection. So that's what we're going to do, load her up on the trailer and get her done. Alright, now we're done with pre-inspection, I can finally start working on the car. Also, on top of good news is, a lot of my parts came in for the Shelby. I got a bunch of these parts from Parts Farm, and I'm still waiting for one more big shipment. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. I'm here with Jason. This is our dent king right here. And this guy's about to be pulling some dents out the car, so you guys will see his perfection. As you guys might have noticed, I kind of got ahead of myself. I went ahead and had the PDR guy come through, which is paintless dent repair, just because it's hard to get a hold of them sometimes. So I was like, you know, he was open. I was like, come on down and fix these dents for me in the Mustang. So I have a short little clip to show you guys what he did.
Take a look, guys. This guy does phenomenal work. Look at that. Not a single dent. Flawless.
So my windshield cutout tool didn't come in yet, so thankfully a couple of my buddies have them. So I called one of my friends and he came out here and cut the windshield off for me. And that will make it much easier to work on the dash. It's raining outside and stuff, so I didn't really want to go home. I figured I'm just going to work on the interior and replace the dash and the airbags. So let's get on it.
We're going to start today by removing the seats first. That way I have a little bit more room to work with.
Got the seats out. Alright, this is probably my favorite Ford seats ever. I love Recaro, they always make a good seat. Man, these things are awesome. Can't wait to start driving it. Break time.
Alright, for some reason the right one's giving me a little bit of trouble and the left one's pretty easy. But all you have to do, it looks like it's very similar to BMWs and everything. There's a hole right here. You see it? Alright, and pretty much you just get a little skinny flathead or Phillips head, and you put, all you can do is just push this right here. Push that, and do the same thing from this side, and that's it. It releases the airbag. This is a deployed airbag, as y'all can see, so unfortunately these right here, they got soldered on there, so I'm gonna need to get a new clock spring. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and yeah.
Alright, y'all. Looks like I got most of the basics I really need to get the dash off. Tomorrow I'll just take off the main bolts that are holding it and pull it off. It's getting late, so I won't be in too much trouble by the time I get home, so I'm gonna call it a night. See y'all tomorrow.
That the VIN number stays on the frame instead of on the dash like some cars, and then you have to,
Sure, like the 4 trucks.
you gotta go get them inspected and get them go through state inspection. It's a lot, especially on a car like
Right.
this.
What's
Rivets, $100 ribbet.
Right, what do people do? Usually cut the rivets and glue them on, is that right?
What we gotta do right now, guys, take this harness and reroute it the exact same way. Each clip is very important because if you don't do it, it'll rub through places like right over here, and you'll have electrical problems through the whole car. This harness goes from the front all the way to the back. All these, they connect.
Science, just tell them what's going on.
All right, guys, we got this harness in, and time to put the dash back in the car.
All right.
All right, guys, we got the dashboard in. Now we just gotta fasten all the bolts back in place and put the steering column back in, and we're just gonna start putting all the electronics in, like the speedometer and everything. We'll see how far we get. It's getting pretty late, but we're gonna do at least get the main bolts in.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. It's getting super late. I'm just going to get this airbag module off and get it shipped out so they can reset it, and we'll wait for it to come in and finish assembling the rest of the car. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. I just got off work, decided to come back to the Shelby. My airbag module came in, got reset already. Figured I might as well finish putting the interior back together. That way we could go ahead and start probably on the frame or on the exterior of the car next.
Big fail. 2 different airbags. This one has a completely different. We were thinking we can rig it up, but it looks like it's a completely different design.
Not necessarily rig it up, but replace the horn wire.
Yeah. But the mounts are different. They're, if you look, plus this design, the actual bag has 4 nuts. This one doesn't. And then the points are different.
Yeah, and what sucks is on eBay they advertise it as for this model.
Alright, so in addition to the driver airbag being incorrect, parts one also sent me the wrong seatbelt. This is my original seatbelt. The new one that came in, you guys can see they're completely different igniters. The plug-ins right here, this one, the plug-ins on here. But besides the point, this one was too long and it won't fit in the fitment where it's supposed to fit. So I can't do anything else with the interior, so I'm gonna have to wait for the new parts to come in. Like I said, let me know what you guys think about this audio and mic setup and the recording, if it's any better. If you guys like it, comment below, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll have some new videos coming for you guys shortly. Thanks again. See you guys next time.